Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to share a gift idea that is always so much appreciated, but it is so very easy to make, but really makes a sweet gift. And so I'm just going to start with the cutting and you'll see how simple this can really be. Okay, you need 2 pieces of cardstock, 8.5 by 11. I have a Whisper White sheet, and then choose a color that you like, okay? And so for the Whisper White, I'm just gonna cut it down as if I were making a card front layer, okay? So this is 4 by 5 1/4. So there's one, and then I'm going to cut another, and then I have that other half of the paper here that I'm going to cut down to 4 again. And these cards are note cards. They're just a single, no fold, and more like stationery, okay? So you could use these, and I'm going to stamp an image on them. Okay, this is 5 1/4 again for both of these pieces. I'm going to stamp an image on them, but you can do any image and any theme with any color, and it makes a wonderful gift. And I usually do a set of 4 to 8, depending on how I'm going to package them, okay? So now I've got my solid cardstock, and this will just cut into 4 equal pieces. So on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to cut down to 4 1/4. And then each of these pieces at 5 1/2. And set those aside because you'll want to do your stamping before you adhere the Whisper White to the solid base. So I'm going to show you some that I already have prepared. I've got my Whisper White and a piece of gray granite. And I'm going to use an image from the Prized Peony stamp set that is in the 2019-2020 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. Actually, it's the 2021 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And let's just get our image. I've got this beautiful peony and some petal pink ink. And I'm going to get some scrap paper here because I'm going to be stamping off. So stamping off is the term we use when we ink up the stamp and then we stamp off on a piece of scratch paper so that the image that we stamp on our project is not as dark, okay? So I'm going to stamp off. And this is a light color already anyway, so I'm just stamping off one time. Then I'm going to come to this corner and stamp that there. I mean, see how beautiful that is? And you want it light so that it can be written over and still be legible, okay? So, got that now. Then all you do is adhere it to the card base. Now, I've made these before with monograms on them, with beautiful little sayings. I've made them where they would be thank you notes and written, stamped a thank you on there. You can, the sky's the limit. You can do whatever. So here is a set of 4 using just the 2 pieces of cardstock. And then I also did coordinating envelopes. So I stamped the peony on the front of Whisper White envelopes. Then on the back, I used some designer paper to coordinate with my colors. In fact, I chose my designer paper first and used the colors from that collection to decide what I was going to use for my cardstock and ink. And then I just layered it over there, trimmed it off, and I added this 1/2 inch strip of the petal pink designer paper to coordinate and pull the colors in for both of the projects, both of the card and the envelope. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you give that a try. Really would be appreciated. It's an easy gift to make, but so pretty. Be sure you tune in to my blog tomorrow where I'm going to show you a great packaging idea and a great gift presentation. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.